Dolph, I used to hear folks talk a lot about the three-legged retirement stool. The three legs being your savings, your Social Security benefits, and your company pension. But with pensions now dying off slowly, how do we replace that missing third leg and keep those retirement hopes pretty stable?
Well, you got to realize your situation you're in, because again, everybody's situation is different. And you got to realize, what are people not telling you when it comes to the three-legged stool, and there's more legs available out there. And I said, when I wrote my book, Cross the Bridge Retirement, it's about knowing what's out there instead of just hearing what people are saying to you. Mm-hmm. But if you were out there and you had this opportunity and pension plans or your company doesn't offer one, and you're in your 40s or 50s or even going farther, what would you think about if you created your own pension plan? Would it be something you'd be interested in?
Absolutely.
I met Jeff and Lisa. Jeff now 66 years old. Lisa's 64 years old. Jeff lost his pension. He lives out in Nevada. This is about 6 years ago. And Lisa was a stay-at-home mom. They had 3 kids. And they were like, what are we going to do? We have this money, but we don't know what to do, and we don't know how long it's going to last. I had this long conversation with them over many months, and it's about creating a pension plan. And all they kept on hearing was like, well, I heard annuities are horrible. I heard annuities are bad, this, that, and the other.
Well, we hear that message a lot in their defense.
Yes, in their defense, I hear it. But what parts of the story are they not hearing that are correct? And I said, well, if annuities are so horrible, why can they protect your principal in a downside market? And how can they provide a lifetime income that you and your wife can never outlive? What makes that so bad for the situation you're looking at? Now, if you're looking at a pension isn't tied to the indexes or other, so it's protected from downside market gains. And if a pension stays stable, it's also going to create you a lifetime income as well. So if you think a pension is good, then why would you think an annuity is good as well? And you tie that in together, and what is Social Security? Social Security is basically an income annuity at the same time. So if Social Security is so bad and pensions are so bad, why would you say annuities are so bad at the same point when it can create you a lifetime income?
And if you click on clearincomeforlife.com, you can also get in touch with Dolph there. On the Income Strategy Show with Dolph Janis of Clear Income Strategies on News 1110 and 99.3 WBT.